I still need to be revived. I can't see really.
Do you guys just want to get on the server?
You're not being revived for a good reason. Or, oh, revived. You mean unrestrained. I guess somebody
No,
did
I don't need to be unrestrained.
revive
I
you.
still see red.
I
still see red.
just want to interview with him.
Good. This is the interview spot right over here. Hold on.
Hey, you want to go on Daisy Epoch if we don't not become
Guys,
bugged?
come on.
I'll take you
Where's
over
the
the interview
interview
spot,
spot?
but you're still being restrained.
I can't
Okay,
see
I'm
though.
going.
That's the
Governor
whole
will
thing
sit
I'm
in his
saying.
chair right
going.
there.
I am going.
Okay.
I can't see anything.
Tell me when to go.
Okay,
Just tell
but
me
you were
when
going to
go.
sit in that chair
Guys.
and do nothing but sit in that chair right there while the governor sits in this chair over here. I will have a gun pointed at you at all times.
Alright, I'm not trying to pull
Guys,
anything
Alright,
on
Governor,
the
go in
get
your
back
interview
on
chair.
Halo
It's good.
here.
Yeah,
Join-
man, can
Okay,
you
how
please
much
kneel a little
money
bit
do you have
so
on
I can
UGC?
stop? Thank you.
Can someone please
Alright.
revive me or give me a health pack?
Here.
What's up? You got broken legs or what?
No, I can't see it. I'm blinking red and black.
Yes, you
Oh.
come
Oh,
over
you're
here.
freaking kidding.
Yes,
Where's
you.
ESU?
Freaking kidding
Yes,
me.
you.
Blitz?
Yes,
Yes, you get over here.
What?
I have to close my Arma 2.
Oh.
Blitz.
Yes.
How much money do you have on, shoot, what's it called again? UGC? How much money do you have on UGC?
I don't think I play UGC.
Blitz.
I haven't played on that server.
What?
With the Evo server?
UGC, Untouchable Gaming, Island Life.
Yeah, I haven't played on that server.
Oh,
Guys,
great.
everything's clear. He have to only be
Crap.
revived by a
What
medic,
servers
and
have
that's
you played
it.
on?
We can start the interview.
Just really Evo. And I've played on a few other ones, but like had no money really. Like only played like for
Okay.
a week really. So Evo's
The
the only
problem
one.
is that we
Who the
spawn in
heck
the
just
scourge
removed my
when we
barrier?
play Evo.
Put my barrier back.
So why don't we just get back on ALG?
Put my barrier back.
Oh, I'm gonna eventually
one second.
will spawn.
Put
Just
my
keep
barrier
on
back.
trying to get in.
See someone holding a
I'm
gun
just
to my
trying to
head
like
right now.
not be a
handgun.
bad.
Sorry, man, but it's for my safety. Won't be killed, don't worry.
Where did my barrier go? It goes back here.
I like bats.
Oh, whatever. I gotta get offline. See.
Oh, we got
gotta
officer
get
down.
offline, too.
We got
Okay.
officer down. We got officer down.
Alright, see you later, man. Take it easy.
Do it.
Okay, man, come.
I can't
man.
see. I need
Oh
a
my
health
God.
pack. I need a health pack.
I can't help you. I can help.
I'm gonna try and join back.
What? Why mimic?
Wait,
Yo, right now play as the governor's pet bird.
wait, I'm not.
Dude,
I'm
you should
not
come
a-
down here. He likes birds, he said.
No, I'm not a thingy anymore. I'm gonna go
Oh.
assassinate the gun.
Okay. Oh, you're... Okay, well, I can tell you where he is and what he's doing. I just started streaming right now so you can see. I'm literally hovering over the gov right now and I'm just going everywhere he goes as I'm following him as a bird.
Right, because I bought an M14 even before, like, in the morning. I'll be able to take the gun out quick. I'm gonna take out, like, you're gonna see how much, people I can try and kill. Just say
Oh my
them.
god,
You're not
thanks,
kill the gov
thanks,
anymore.
thank you, thank you, thank you. I have to leave this area with my armored limousine. You have to protect me somehow for this time.
I'll keep you safe.
Yes, yes, yes.
Governor,
Wait,
I'm only here.
Blitz.
What?
Yes, 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 okay.
You try and abort and join back.
No, I just want to play as a bird right now. Until the governor dies. I'm playing as a bird until the gov dies. I just want to be his pet right now. His pet bird.
What, does he actually like birds?
Yeah, he was talking and he was like, oh, I like birds, blah, 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 my pet bird. I'm like, okay, I'll chill. I'm like the gov's pet fucking eagle right now.
My stats ain't loaded yet, so I'm just gonna wait. Okay, Gov Mansion is in sight. Wait, what do I have to say before I kill the Gov?
Type over global gov, you're up, I'm gonna kill you.
Okay.
You can kill him.
Mm.
You are alright? Everything good?
I wonder if I can talk in like side chat and he can hear.
I fuck her
You,
up,
you
bro.
guys need help there?
You stay back there, Governor.
Is he dead?
Oh yeah.
Blitz.
He's not dead
No,
yet.
the Governor.
There's like all the cops are guarding him though. He's in the mansion being guarded by 3 cops.
For the entrance.
No, they got him in a room in the mansion, in like a nice little room that
Okay,
he can't really be
I've
touched.
got my thing.
There's 2 cops. One's in the room with him. One's guarding the hallway to the room, and one's guarding basically the stairs going up to the
What
second
about
floor.
the front?
Front. Then there's like the bodyguards covering the front and like the fields. Like there's like tons of shit covering. Like the gov's got so many guards right now. He's basically got 3 cops and 2 bodyguards covering him.
Right, I've got my
And
rifle.
they've just get a rifle and start trying to snipe just anyone you see
Yeah, you
at the
ready
gov
for this?
mansion.
I've got my rifle already.
Do it. Okay.
My heart's beating.
Should I go scout out the field or should I stay with the gov? Should I go scout out, try to find out where the guards are?
Yeah.
Or should I stay with the gov? And there's other people here trying to kill him, so.
That's good.
Yeah.
Right, the Gov Mansion is in sight.
Alright, I'm gonna go, see what I can see out front. No. I wonder where these fucking bodyguards are hiding. They might all be inside the mansion.
Guys, someone's trying to kill me in this room. We have to move, guys, too much. Oh my god. Move, 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 move. We have to move to my
I see a car. Are you in that truck?
My armored limo and leave.
No.
Okay, the governor wants to leave now. He's saying he wants to leave. He's saying, I want to go to the limo to leave, so.
Did he?
Yeah, they're gonna get ready to move him soon, so. And there's a guy who just pulled up in a truck. Yeah, there's a guy here in the truck. Oh man, there's a lot of people here.
Right, I'm just literally.
Guys, I will have to move from here.
It's quite good actually.
Okay, want me to come to you and then I can be your spotter bird?
Right, I see this guy, this cop.
Kill him. Kill anyone at the gov mansion. Everyone's kill on site.
Alright, see that kill?
I see someone was killed.
Yeah, I killed one of them.
Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah. It didn't say that.
Yo,
you
that
killed
guy's
him.
sick, he just knocked a hole in the wall.
Shots, get on the ground, shots.
Tell your bird to get down. We don't want the bird to get shot.
Yeah, bird.
Sir.
I think we have to move,
What's
guys,
happening?
from here. I got keys to my limo.
Wait,
He's still in that room and he wants to move out, so you should just hide somewhere and wait for him to be moving, and then snipe him when he's getting in his limo, when he's trying to get in his limo, okay? So get in a hiding spot right now, okay? And wait for him to be moving, and then just try to snipe him and make him your primary target, okay?
yeah, I'm literally, I can see the front.
Okay, just get in a good hiding spot.
I'm on like the left side.
Alright.
I'm on like the left side of the building near the I'm behind the fence.
Shit.
Pretty much.
Good job, guys. Now restrain him.
They just tasered a guy. Some guy was almost got in and got him. He was like really close.
Man, you are restrained. You are restrained. You are not going to move anywhere. Do you know what the... You have to just stay there, man, because you were tased. Yeah. Good.
Mr. Governor, this is the man who tried to kill you.
Oh my god.
Oh, another cop is down. Oh, you got the cop. Nice.
Yeah, I'm being proper silence because I'm unconcentrated a bit.
Okay, man, you are still restrained. Don't tase him still. Just you are restrained, and just walk to the corner. And if you will if you will get out the gun, you will be killed or something, you know. And that's breaking the server rules. Just leave him. He is handcuffed. Go to this corner up there and stay there. Okay, you can heal yourself. No. Okay, you had a gun animation, don't worry. You had a gun
What happened
animation.
in the
You
movie yet?
pressed.
No. Oh, another cop just showed back up. They're just still in that room.
Don't worry, you are not killed yet. Just don't worry. Leave him to...
Oh, nice. Was that you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're just owning these guys, dude. Holy shit. Oh man.
Man, stay here, otherwise... He was escaping. I said him, but he's restrained. You saw it, mate. You saw it.
There's that window that I keep killing cops in.
What?
There's the window I keep killing cops in.
The Gov is in that doorway. Yeah, the Gov is in that room. See where you know where you're killing? You just killed those two cops.
Is that room that I'm killing?
Yeah, the Gov's in there. Yeah, the Gov is in there.
I didn't know. That was just an easy target.
Yeah, the Gov's in the room. That's who they're protecting in there. Yeah.
Just let me
so
see
how much did I
something,
just
please.
kill?
You killed two cops.
Okay, yeah.
And then they just keep on coming back, running back here. So it's like unlimited bodyguards.
I think my wanted levels. Tell me when one of them's at the window again, please.
All right.
I died.
Oh shit, you died.
I got tased.
What's your wanted level at?
I don't know, but
Man,
no, I'm gonna get
you
taken to
should
prison.
put
I'm
your
gonna
gun
be
down,
put in
man.
there for like
You
24
should
hours.
put your gun
You're
down.
gonna be there for
I'm sorry,
25
man.
minutes for sure.
Jesus. Okay.
Don't even try to kill me, man. It won't be worth it, man. You got best everything right now. You don't want to change it for worse.
Oh, there's so much
You know, I
behind me. I
won't do
didn't even
anything
notice.
else in
There's
a
like
prison, so you will have to eat those nasty things.
Governor. Governor, can we move to the next room?
To the next room. Yeah, there is a guy there. There is a guy there, man. You see him? You see him? You see him?
Someone just killed the governor. Someone just killed the governor.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone just got him. Someone just killed the Gov. This guy just raped the Gov. Oh man, someone just... Oh, some next guy just got it.
That's jokes. That's quite fun.
Yeah, that was funny.
Okay. Wait, you might have to bring
I'm gonna come on now as a civ.